Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to run the new automated software for making the follow and connection for you on LinkedIn. It's very safe also, and it has a human interaction. You just want to also to run it on your VPS server, so it will keep run 24 hours until it's complete all the job for you. So now I advise you, if you want to run it and keep it, because it's be a hassle if you press connect to each. No, it will go and do the all job for you. You have to also first run the VPS. I will provide you the VPS, the good VPS. You just want to go to my website first, then click rent VPS. After that you have to choose 1 month. It's very cheap VPS, and click Windows Server. It's only cost you €12 per month. After that you have to download my software. Just go to downloads. It's very easy and convenient. Just go to download now and install download the software here. We already download the software and unzip it. I'm going to show you now how you going to run it. Easy and convenient. You just have to right click and run it as administrator, then press yes. After that it will ask you about the license code, which I will provide you once you make the purchase for 1 month subscription or lifetime. After that you input the license key. It will ask you now if you want to use the software for default settings, which I recommended always. Default settings is safe for your account because we don't want to violate the LinkedIn. It's only about the time waiting. If you want to adjust the time waiting between each connect by seconds, you just want to press 2 and choose your preferences settings. Also, if you want to adjust the time waiting for between next pages and follow button, you have to press 2 and adjust the time in seconds based on your preferences, which now we will use only the default settings, which I recommended always. So we press 1. So now it will open its own browser. It has a dedicated browser, so that it depends on. So you don't want we don't want to use any browser. It has its own browser. So we have now to sign in. So after signing in through LinkedIn, we wait for login in, and after that you see my profile now have a good connections and over 4,000 followers and connected people. Now you have to search for anything you want. Let's search here for Casino VP. So after that we search and we go to people. After we go to people, by searching, you see now I have 3 connect only because I have reached the limit. We now go to the program and press enter because we already log in, and we press enter because we already on the page, and so it can work. So now the program will work and make all the connect for you, and also it will detect the pop-ups and automatically and detect everything, so it can connect and follow all the people for you automatically. I just want to run it 24 hours on the VPS, as you see now, because we used here default parameters for waiting time. So it might be a little slow, but it's very good because we want to keep everything like a human interaction. So if you want to adjust it more fast, you can just use the custom settings like I show you. When you run the program, just press 2 and adjust the time waiting between each actions by seconds, 0.5 seconds or 1 second, 2 seconds, etc. So now the program is running and it waits, as you see here, for each connection a dynamically time. So we want to keep everything normal, like a human interaction. We don't want to mess or violate TOS of LinkedIn. So after that, just keep it on your server running 24 hours, you can just close the connection from here and it will keep work, and then you go back to your own PC and do other jobs. So now let's wait the program until it complete the whole task. And also it has a feature also for following people, not only connect people. So now let's wait the program until it finishes all the job. After that, if the program doesn't detect any connect buttons or any follow buttons, or it's completed the whole page, like 100 page to 200, it will stop itself and it will exit and the program automatically. And also if you have reached the limit, exceeded the limit, the program has a feature also to detect that, and it will stop according that, and it will not mess with your account. It will auto exit. And here we are waiting and seeing the program. The program is finished all the tasks because I already reached the monthly limited. If I want to show more people, I have to reactivate the premium. But on your account, if it's still new, you can find a lot of pages and you can complete all the follows for you. Now it's automatically shut down, as you see, because it's completed the whole task. The good thing, the program, if you want to run it again, it will remember your session, so you don't want to log in again and input password. Just provide the license key and it will ask you if you want to use the default settings. Here we just press yes. If no, then you want to adjust it by your own preferences, so we press yes. The good thing for the program now, it's remember the session for you, so you don't have to log in again, okay, because it's already remembered now. So you just want to search for other things, like let's search for Casino CEO, okay, and we press people here and we press enter for the program, then enter, so it can work according to. Now it's going to run. The good thing also, it skips the message button or any other pop-up, annoyed pop-up, so it's have all the feature automatically. It's technology designed by me. It takes me hours and days to provide you the best helpful program for your own marketing purposes. So now as you see, it will work again. Let's wait it until it make the first follow. It's already made it. If you want to close the program, just press Ctrl C. So bingo, like this. If you want to log into other account also, you just want to delete this file. Just delete this file and run the program again and make the new login for the other account. Thank you very much for the video. If you are interested, you can just purchase the subscription, only 1 month I charge, no other payment, by Wise Bank. Or if you want to get the lifetime license, you can just press here and it will redirect you to the payment system. Once you purchase the subscription 1 month, it's only 1 month, no subscription, 1 month payment. After that, I will provide you the license key.